Here some important expansion in terms of x terms. This is the trigonometric function sin x. This series x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power of 5 by 5 factorial minus x power of 7 by 7 factorial and continuously going on. So here first is plus, odd plus, next even, next all odd numbers plus minus alternative coming. Here sin hx, this is not in your our Tamil Nadu syllabus, hyperbolic functions. This is the hyperbolic function that is denoted by sin hx. H means hyperbolic. That is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial, x power of 5 by 5 factorial and plus and so on. Here all odd terms, all plus term, all odd terms plus. Here all odd terms plus minus, that meaning. So actually sin hx is the hyperbolic function. Sin hx in that expansion actually e power of x minus e power of minus x by 2. This is the hyperbolic function. Sin hx is equal to. This is also cos hx. This is also hyperbolic function. Whereas this is equal to e power of x plus e power of minus x by 2. Summation of e power of x series, e power of minus x series by 2. Here difference minus, here addition plus. That is the cos hx formula. After simplification, sin hx this coming expansion, cos hx this expansion coming. Here all even terms, 2, 4 even terms, all plus. Here cos hx. Cos x is the 1 minus x square by 2 factorial, x4 by 4 factorial, like that. Here plus minus, even plus minus, that is. Here tan x. Tan x is the x plus x cube by 3, 2 by 15, x power of 5, that is continuously AGP series. It is tan inverse x. It is equal to x minus x cube by 3, x power of 5 by 5. So here x 3, 5. These are the odd numbers 3, 5 and continuously going on. Here e power of x, exponential series. This name is called exponential series, e power of x. This value addition of 1 plus x plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial and so on. Here 0, here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5 up to nth term is the x power of n by n factorial also suitable. Sigma x to the power of n by n factorial. Here e power of minus x. Here x is the, here minus x difference. Instead of x minus x put in this. X is minus x whole square plus x square. Here minus x whole cube minus. So that's why it is minus, it is plus minus alternately coming. So minus 1 power of n, x power of n by n factorial. This is the nth term. This is the logarithmic expansion, log of 1 plus x. Whereas x less than minus 1, very little value. X minus x square by 2, x cube by 3, minus plus minus alternately continuously going on. Here log 1 minus x. So same term, but in front of all terms minus is there. Completely here to here end minus coming. So here alternately plus minus going on. In this 1 minus x log minus only, or x plus x square by 2, x cube by 3 continuously going on. These are the important expansions. Logarithmic expansion and exponential function and sine function, sin hx, cos hx, tan x, tan x. These are used in the limits. Some critical problems by using this expansion, and here another new formulas. Sin inverse 6 by x is also 1. Like that sin x by x tends to, limit x tends to 0. It is also 1. Here tan inverse x by x is equal to also 1. Like limit x tends to 0. Tan x by x also 1. This one, no change. Here 1 plus 1 by x power x tends to infinity. Already we done this problems, but once again recall this x tends to infinity means 1 by infinity is 0. Not 0 tends to 0. 1 plus something value here. So that power infinity is equal to expansion e value. So actually e value how much? 2.7 approximate value. Not exactly, approximate value is equal to 2.7. This is the irrational number. Irrational number. So 2.7 something etc. going on. So this is the irrational number also. Irrational number. And phi also irrational number. Root 3 also irrational. You remember that? And next, here 0 power infinity, then e. Here also 0 power infinity. Here also infinity power 0. Same e, but power p coming here. All powers p, otherwise 1 by p. When p coming, when 1 by p coming. According to this situation, you keep in mind all these formulas. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x power 1 by x square. So x tends to 0 means tan x by x it is 1. It is the infinity. 1 to the power infinity. 1 to the power infinity. We cannot find easily answer. That's why we follow the expansion series. That is tan x is the x plus x cube by 3 and so on. Whereas x tends to 0, so these powers continuously going on, it is going to very little value. Fraction, thousands fractions, it is less value, neglect that. Up to x cube by 3 enough. By x power 1 by x square, whereas limit x tends to 0. Here x value tends to 0, x cube also very less. Next x power of 5 by 5, it is very negligible value. So up to 2 terms enough. Again we divide with x by x 1. Here x cancelled, x square by 3 power 1 by x square. Limit x tends to 0. So this is 1 plus 0 to the power of infinity form. So it is arranged as previous problems 1 plus p by x power of x, 1 plus x by p power of 1 by x, that type. So here simply shortcut x square by 3 put here. This term we written as reverse 3 by x square. So this is the extra term. That's why again multiply by x square by 3. This is balanced cut. Again here 1 by x square multiply by 1 by x square. So this value is equal to limit x tends to 0. This is going to e value. After that you think about this. Here x square gets cancelled. 1 by 3 is there. E power 1 by 3. It is the option 2. Second option. E power 1 by 3, right answer. Here also similar to this problem, tan x by x also there. Here x 1 by x square, there 1 by x. That's why limit x tends to 0. Here also use x plus x cube by 3. Second term enough by x power 1 by x. So x division x by x 1 plus x square by 3 power 1 by x. Limit x tends to 0. Here also we written as x square by 3 up 2 by 3 by x square up to here enough. This is the power extra, again multiply by x square by 3. This is cancelled, only 1 is there. Again 1 by x, here multiply 1 by x. This value we know previously, this value e, limit x tends to 0, this value e. Power x square by x, again x is here, e power of x by 3, whereas limit x tends to 0. So x tends to 0 means 0 by something 0, e power of 0. E power of 0 value 1. So first option is the right answer.